What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here. Today we are back with more cases for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. And in my hands, I have the Fusion and I have the Fusion X from the company Ringke. So let's open them up and let's check them out.
For old time's sake.
So two very minimalistic style cases. This is the Fusion over here. So first off, Ringke has these protective pieces of film on the inside as well as on the outside. Now, just a side note, Ringke, please add some tabs to this because it's kind of, see, there's like no tab to get this. So you basically got to kind of like just pick at it and pick at it and pick at it, and then it finally releases. So Ringke, if you could please add some tabs, make it a whole lot easier for us. Pick at it until you get a piece of it, and it's very time because I appreciate the effort that they put into it, but it's really time consuming and just aggravating. So once you get it on, you get the full clear casing, no issues whatsoever on this case. So looking at it, it visually looks good because I'm able to just see my phone through there. Hard rubberized TPU on the edges, hard backing, everything lines up with our cutouts right here. So you're gonna get a nice raised edge right along there, so your screen is not gonna get damaged, no issues with that. All of our buttons match up at the bottom. Our keys are nice and clicky, nice and tactile, and our camera sits down in that nice groove so as not to get scratched up. Wireless charge is a go, it's on deck, no issues with this whatsoever. And this one is the Fusion X. Now, you heard my complaint about the actual plastic. I'm not taking all that off. I don't feel like it. But you know, somebody's going to say they want to see what this looks like on their phone. So let me go ahead and just peel this stuff off if I can get it. I don't even know where to start. There we go. And just go for it. Go for an easy edge. That's all I can tell you. So Fusion X, you get the nice crisscrossing pattern on the back. You get the nice blacked out edges, hard rubberized TPU. You still get to see your phone through the back of there. All of our cutouts down bottom, they match up nicely. And our buttons on the side are nice and tactile. I like the feel of the buttons. Looking at this right here, camera sits down in that groove. And bingo, we got wireless charge. So nice cases, nice presentation. Only thing I do not like is the fact that I have to peel that plastic part off. That's what I don't like. It's a protective cover, I know, for the back and for the inside, but I don't like that plastic. Got to get rid of it, or you got to put some tabs so we can just in one swap, just get it off. Other than that, nice cases, nice presentation. I like them a lot. So hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up, and I'll be sure and leave a link below so you can check these out for yourself. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.